And go back. Made a slight incision on the bottom here because, you know, and YouTube regulations with pocket knives are a nightmare. Yeah, that machine over there is not printing receipts again. Aaron is notorious for that. Broken machines. I got approved for the Bozeman Housing Authority in the middle of the night. I had to put out. Hired me again. Angle. Nothing Elder. Paragus? Yeah, I don't know what this card does. It does nothing. That's what it does. Piccolo. Chi-Chi. Magenta? Vegeta? That's fine. GLaDOS. Trunks. That's a fun one. I remember him. Calco? Son Goku, and that's a holofoil, so that's fine. And another Goku. And some random token that does nothing. At any rate, that's my video. Until a transit video goes up, I don't know. I don't trust this bus. I'm not going to make promises I can't keep. I'm Tony Jeffers. I'm out. Have a good day, everyone.